Okay, so here we are inside of the members area, and as you'll soon see, everything is very easy and simple to use. Okay, so the first page you'll come across is this admin welcome area, okay, where you can enter your name and email if you like to get notified of updates. But you can also do something else in here. You can also back up your entire site by simply clicking on that link, and that will send you to a download where you can back up the entire site as it stands. So if you make any changes and you want to and you've made quite a few changes and you want to save them, all you need to do is back up your entire site from that link. Okay, admin settings, dead basic. This is basically where you'll put in your username and password for the website, and also enter your full name and contact email address for lost password purposes. Okay, so that's just to secure your site there. And the first main setting is this basic design settings. Okay, so this is where you can add a custom header, you can change some colors, the page width, or you can choose pixels or percentage, page paddings. Okay, so some basic styling here, font size, and also add in a footer there. And you can also put in your own ClickBank ID, which will affiliate you to Easy Page Builder from the Powered By link on the page, giving you 50% commissions on all sales made. Now I'll just show you what the site looks from dead basic. Okay, so this is the site just being uploaded, and this is how it looks initially. Okay. So you can see you've got like a kind of basic template with all of the